Are you looking to enhance your Xbox One experience in 2024? Whether you need better sound, improved control, or more convenience, we've got the best accessories covered. Stick around to find out which products take your gaming to the next level. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Xbox Wireless Headset. It's designed for the Xbox Series X and Series S, and also performs brilliantly on the Xbox One. At a competitive price of $99.99, it offers exceptional audio quality, solid build, and great value for money. During testing, we found that this headset punches well above its price range. The sound quality for gaming and audio playback rivals headsets in higher price tiers, and its build quality feels anything but cheap. For anyone looking for an affordable, high-performance gaming headset, the Xbox Wireless Headset is a must-have. Number 2. Xbox Elite Wireless Controller Series 2. This is a near-perfect upgrade to the already excellent Xbox One gamepad, boasting a 40-hour battery life and highly customizable sticks and buttons. In our testing, it proved to be one of the best-feeling gamepads we've ever used, thanks to its robust features like replaceable D-pads and thumbsticks, reprogrammable rear paddles, and trigger locks for faster pulls, ideal for FPS enthusiasts. However, all these premium features come at a price. At $149.99, it's one of the most expensive controllers on the market. But with full customization options through Xbox Design Labs, it's an investment for those seeking a personalized, high-performance experience. Number 3. Xbox Play and Charge Kit. If you're tired of constantly replacing AA batteries in your Xbox controller, the Play and Charge Kit is exactly what you need. Officially licensed by Microsoft, this rechargeable battery pack and cable allow you to stay plugged in while gaming, then switch to wireless play once the battery is charged, giving you hours of extended play. This feature is something the Xbox One has sorely lacked, and while AA batteries are inexpensive, the constant need to replace them can be annoying. Priced at just $28.99, the Play and Charge Kit will save you money in the long run, especially during marathon gaming sessions. Number 4. Xbox One Media Remote. Since the PlayStation 2 brought DVD players into millions of homes, one thing has remained true. Using a controller to watch videos on a console is a hassle. If you're using your Xbox One for streaming, Blu-ray, or TV, the Xbox One Media Remote is a game changer. It lets you navigate content easily without having to remember complicated controller commands for things like closed captions or time remaining. The remote is perfectly sized with all the essential controls, including volume options that controllers and Xbox Smart Glass can't manage. It's sleek, with a backlight that's perfect for late-night viewing or home theater setups. Number 5. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. It combines Xbox Live Gold's online play with access to hundreds of Xbox One and backward-compatible Xbox 360 games for a competitive monthly rate. We've been consistently impressed by its value, as the library is vast and continuously updated, ensuring you'll never run out of games to play. Priced at $16.99 per month, it's hard to fault the service. Additionally, you can find discounted 3-month, 6-month, and 12-month packages at major retailers. If you're new to the service, trials are available for just $1, offering 14 days of access. So, there you have it, folks. Those are the best Xbox One accessories in 2024. I hope this video has helped you decide which accessories are right for you.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.